Okay, so this is a LG Google Nexus 5 phone, and it's really old now. We're filming this in 2022. One of the very common problems with these devices is the power button. And in this case, what happens is the power button kind of gets sticky, and you can press it, but then it might stick in the pressing on position, and then it resets and you get caught in this boot loop. So first what we'll do is we'll make sure the device is charged. Okay, looks good. And I will, yeah, it's fully charged. So I'm going to unplug it there. Now I'm going to press the power button just normally. Press and let go and see if it boots up. Let's see if it boots up properly or not. Oh no, it just reset. See, it's going into this loop. It's going to keep doing the same thing. So the trick here is you kind of massage this button. Let's see. We need to massage it, and it could be, just kind of flicking it a little bit, pressing it. Let's try it. Press it. Okay, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Oh no, it didn't work this time too. Sometimes we got to try a couple of times. So let's try again here. Oh no, it's rebooting again. Yep. Let's try with the power plugged in. I think it doesn't make a difference, but I'm going to try it anyway. Oh, nope, still boot looping, so let's see if we can get this to not boot loop. Long press a little. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. When it gets to here, I know it's going to work properly. So this took me about, 3 minutes? A little less than 3 minutes. It's just fidgeting with this power button. It's not about long pressing it forever. That doesn't help it. The right way to fix it is we just replace this power switch. And inside the power switch, there's this little metal thing that bounces back up, and it's not bouncing back up. It's kind of like a spring-loaded metal contact. You can buy the switches online. I actually bought it, but I haven't tried to replace it. The pieces are so tiny. I'm pretty sure we need some kind of special things for it. Anyway, there we go. Yep, it's definitely booted up, and that's all there is to it for getting these old Nexus 5 devices, and probably some other devices which have similar power button issues, to start up if they're caught in a loop because of a power button issue. This won't work if it's boot looping because of a software issue. Only for this physical power button problem. And to avoid using the power button, I've set the device so that it wakes on volume rocker, and also when I plug in or unplug the device. So anyway, that's it for now. Hope this helps someone.